Hi children, today in this video we are going to continue chapter 6, exercise 6 with how to draw the circle using the compass we are going to see in this video, and how to calculate the diameter and radius using the formulas we are going to see. So before that, I'll show you how to insert this pencil in the compass. See, you'll have a hole, and before that please loose this. See, insert the pencil in the gap and place it on a flat surface and join the pencil together. The needle of the compass and the needle of the pencil should be equal. After that, after checking with the equal needle, tighten the knob so that your pencil should not be shaky. It should be very tight. Okay, so after that, just open the compass slightly with any measurement. Exact measurement we are not going to take for drawing the circle now. Right now we are going to see using compass how to draw the circle. So I have just opened the compass with any measurement, and I'm going to place it on the paper and hold the compass over here. See, if you see here, I am holding here. Hold the compass here, and the needle of the compass should be first in the paper, and tightly hold it. It should not be shaky. The needle of the compass should not move. Okay, so that rotate the pencil. That's it. Okay, see, the compass where we placed that point is a center point. So that point is a center point, and I am placing it as a 0 center point. Okay, so now we are going to see, label the parts of the circle: center, radius, diameter, point J, point L, which is being shown in the picture. So here I have drawn the circle with different points. See here, this point as 0, this Q, P, K, L, J. So we are going to find what are these points and lines. So here, this first center point we have to find from the circle. So I told you the center point will be in the middle of the circle. So this point 0 is the center point. So 0 is the center point. So next, radius. So the radius is from the center point to another end, any part of the circle. The line which passes from the center point to another end of the circle. So here O to P, this is one radius, O, P. Again from O to Q, this is also one more radius, Q. From again O to K, this is also one more radius. So together 3 radius. So next we have to find the diameter. So the diameter is a line which touches two parts of that is 2 ends of the circle. This complete line, a line which passes through the center point, PK, that is a diameter. So what is point J? So this J is laying inside the circle. So this point lies inside the circle. So next is point L. So this L point lies outside the circle. So it is outside the circle. Okay. So next we'll see how to measure the radius of the circle and how to find the diameter by calculation. So the circle is given with the center point. So now first we have to measure the radius. So for that we have to draw the radius from the center point. So from the center point to any end of the circle, which is called radius. So after drawing, I should measure this. So this center point to be placed in the 0 and it is ending with 3 centimeters, 0 to 3. So it is a 3 centimeter. So now we have found radius is equal to 3 centimeter. So to find the diameter, we have to use the formula. What is the formula for finding diameter? 2 into radius. In the previous video, I told you the formula. That formula only I am using. So now 2 into radius. What is the radius measurement? 3 centimeter. So what is 2 3s are 6. 6 centimeter. So therefore diameter's measurement is 6 centimeter. So now with the same how we are going to find the measurement of the diameter of the circle and then finding the radius by calculation. So the circle is given with the center point. So first we have to measure the diameter. So for that we have to draw the diameter. Say line passes through the center point inside the circle. Okay, and I am going to measure this diameter. This point from 0 and it's ending with 8 centimeter. You see 8 centimeter. 0, 8. Okay, so the diameter is 8 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 8 centimeter and we have to find the radius using formula. What is the formula for finding the radius? Diameter divided by 2. So what is the diameter measurement? 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter divided by 2. So that is how many times 8 will come in 2 table? 4 times. 2 4s are 8, no? So radius is equal to 4 centimeter. So this is how you will find your radius and diameter using the formula. So we will see one other way of finding the other way means they will give directly the measurement of the diameter or the radius measurement. Using the same formula you will find the diameter or radius. So that is what we are going to see. So here you can see find the radius. So here instead of giving the picture they have given the measurement of the diameter directly. Diameter is equal to 12 centimeter and you have to find the measurement of the radius. So what is the formula? Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So diameter is 12 centimeter divided by 2. So divide means how many times 12 will come in 6 table? Sorry. How many times 12 will come in 2 tables? 6 times. 2 6 are 12. So therefore radius is equal to 6 centimeter. So again likewise we are going to find the diameter. So the measurement of the radius is given and you have to find the diameter using formula. So diameter formula is diameter is equal to 2 into radius. 2 into, what is the measurement of radius? 10 centimeter. So 2 into 10, 2 tens are 20 centimeter. So therefore diameter is equal to 20 centimeter. So hope you have understood. Thank you.